everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Xbox app error code 0x80131522. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the Xbox error while downloading any app or game and the error code is 0x80131522, then I will show you how to fix this issue. In this I will show you 4 to 5 steps. You will try to fix this one by one. The first method is you have to just check your Windows update. If there is any pending update, you have to just update and check it. For that you just need to click on start menu, then click on settings. Here you will find Windows update, click on that. Just click on check for update. If there is any pending update, then update it and restart your PC and check whether if it doesn't fix, then try the second method. Close this window, click on start menu, then type here fix Windows Store. You can share find and fix problems with Windows Store app. Click on this, click on next. It will take some time. If there is any problem with your Windows Store, it will fix automatically. After completion of this, you can check it once again whether your issue has been resolved or not. If still you are facing the issue, then try the third method. Click on start menu, then type here Microsoft Store. Then here Microsoft Store, right click on that, click on app settings. In this you have to scroll down. First you have to try to repair it. Under reset you will find repair. If this option doesn't work, you can try to reset it. After trying both this option, you can check once again by downloading any app or game. Still you are facing the issue, then the fourth method is click on start menu, then type here WS reset. You can see here WS reset. You have to just click on this and wait for some time to complete its process. After completion of this, you can check whether your issue has been resolved or not. If still you are facing the issue, then you can try the final method. Just open your registry editor, click on this, start menu, then type here regedit. Click on this registry editor, click on yes. After opening the registry editor, you can see here HP local machine, double click and expand. Double click and expand the system. After that, current control set, double click and expand. After that, you need to find services, double click and expand the services. After that, you need to find gaming services. Scroll down. You can see in my system there is no gaming services. If in your case you will find here gaming services, you have to just right click on that, then click on delete. After deleting gaming services, you will find another folder which is gaming service net. You have to delete both these folders. After deleting both these folders, just close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix error code 0x80131522. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.